So before we begin, let me just say that this video is not meant to be immigration advice. It is intended to help you through my experience. I intend to show you what I did and what my situation was. So if that helps you, that's amazing. But if your situation is a little bit complex, then I do recommend that you get in touch with a professional. Hey everyone, welcome to my first YouTube video. I actually have uploaded in the past, but those were for university coursework, so spare me because I'm not going to be perfect. Anyway, so let me first start with why I'm making these videos. So there's already a lot of stuff on YouTube for Canadian PR spousal sponsorship, and I also watched them and they were super helpful, but none of them were 100% like my situation. So I did come as an international student. I am on an open work permit right now. Um, I did get married in British Columbia, Canada itself, and I am the applicant who's being sponsored by my spouse, of course, and of course me and my spouse also live together. Um, so finally, let's get started. So this process is very simple actually, but also you have to give your time and go through a lot of stuff, read a lot of stuff, make sure you got everything right. So where I would get started and where I did get started was from this document, the IAM 5289, the complete guide for sponsoring your spouse. So it has everything you could possibly need, um, everything you need to know before you apply, your obligations as a sponsor, step-by-step process on what you should do. And an important resource here is here you get to download your document checklist once you click on get application package, and you can get the checklist by filling in these questions. So who are you sponsoring? That would be your spouse. And what country does the spouse or does the person being sponsored live in? So for me it was in Canada itself. And what other countries has the person you are sponsoring lived in? So I am from India, so I will select India here. And once you click on get checklist and forms, you get your whole document checklist, which you can download by clicking this link, and you can download that from here. You also get some additional information here regarding what the sponsor must fill and sign. So these are all PDF forms which we will come to in future videos. So once you do download the document checklist, let's zoom in a bit here. It has like step by step all the forms, all the supporting document that you need to get started with, and to complete your full application. So as you work through this process, you can keep coming back to this form and keep checking it as you finish filling and uploading each form, and in the end you have to upload this form as well. So it has all information like sponsored persons, or what the sponsored person has to fill, and upload all the supporting documents, both the sponsor and principal applicant, and supporting documents required, and supporting documents for sponsored persons, any civil status documents, additional information, police certificates and clearances, photos, medical exam, proof of relationship. So we'll come back to this in future videos. This is just for me to show you where to get started and what really will be helpful initially. And once you do this, you should also go to the PR portal and create your account. And once you create your account, you can do that by clicking create account here, and once you do that, sign in and start a new application. And program which under you're applying will be family, and category would be spouse, and subcategory would be spouse or common law partner in Canada class, since you are present in Canada. And you can just give the application name, so I'll name this Ryan's application. Once you do that, you can set up your profile. So this will be for enter the principal applicant's basic information below. So preferred language English, family name would be your surname, and given name would be as per your passport, so your first name and middle name also. And then date of birth, so I'm just entering random information here. And then your mailing address, so wherever you stay. For the sake of this, I'll upload one of my old addresses. Vancouver, Canada, BC. And residential address same as mailing, yes. So in this section, yeah, so once you do all of this, you'll reach your dashboard basically, where you can go on filling each form. And so these are the digital forms. These will be the PDF forms that you have to download and upload, and any additional application forms will go here. So you select what you're uploading and then you can upload it. I don't think I had to upload any additional form, but your supporting documents, all of these listed here, you should upload here. And then anything additional that you want to upload, you can do that here. And then once you pay your fees, you can upload that here. And then finally, this is just the declaration where you just type your name in as a sign. And you can do this in the end, but just requires you to enter your name. So this is about it for this video. Do stay tuned for future videos where I show you how to fill the PDF forms, the digital forms, and we'll go through each, and hopefully I can help you out. If you did find this video valuable, do give it a thumbs up, do give it a like, since that will let me know that I did help someone out there. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Do stay tuned. Cheers.